Ever seen AI build a full-stack app? In real time? Watch this. One simple prompt sparks an entire Nest.js backend. Copy, paste done. Now we fire up React. Just one more line. Boom, ChatGPT writes the whole front end like magic. This isn't just coding, this is vibe coding. From zero to working app. No boilerplate, no setup stress. Stick around. I'm building this app with AI only. And wait till you see it in action. Let's start by asking AI to create the backend API for a note-taking app. Let me tell the ChatGPT to write me a code for backend. In this section, I am writing the prompt. Create a Nest.js REST API for a note-taking app. It should have endpoints for get to, post, update, and delete. Use MongoDB and Mongoose for storage. Return a JSON responses with proper status codes. Include a note schema with title, content, and timestamps. Here you can see ChatGPT has written me the code for the Nest.js. It has properly divided the sections, like I have code for main.ts file and code for app module. It has also included the MongoDB URI. It has the code for the notes controller, service. It has also included the schema for notes and also code for data transfer objects, DTOs. Now let me copy-paste the code and place each line of the code to its corresponding places, like main.ts file code will pasted to main.ts file. And similarly, I will paste each code to file where it belongs, and as also suggested by ChatGPT. After pasting the code to its appropriate places, some issues of missing dependencies and some issues of imports. So after installing missing dependencies and fixing the imports by changing to correct path, our backend is ready to fire up without writing a single code. Now let's write a prompt for front-end reactjs. In this simple prompt, I asked ChatGPT to create a React front-end for the note-taking app. Display all notes from GetNotes. Form to add a new note title plus content. Button to delete each note. Use Axios to call backend APIs. Keep it minimal and clean using Tailwind CSS or simple inline CSS. And boom! Here we go. ChatGPT has written a code for reactjs. This code has everything I asked in prompt E. It has included the simple form to create a note, a button to delete a note, and a simple UI design using Tailwind CSS. And now let's copy-paste this code in React app and see the results. Now, let's fire up the React app and see if there is any errors or not. And here you go, without a single line of code, the app is working without any errors or issues. Now, after starting the backend and frontend, let's test the app, that if it is working correctly. Let's create few test notes and also delete the notes to test the app. Here you go, a full-fledged working app with a separate backend connected with a database MongoDB and a reactjs frontend with Tailwind, CSS, and Axios without writing a single line of code. I think with this simple vibe coding tutorial, you get the idea. Now, world is yours, explore more, and start vibe coding, and make this app more better by adding users' schema, and referencing them notes and adding authentications, etc. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.